Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So the Fed raised interest rates with 25 basis points and the speak was just dovish, so the market started to skyrocketing and we have seen a really green start in February. My name is Mike Denkler from CorionX and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems to keep you updated and educated about crypto, what is the evolution of money and the internet. So guys, smash those like, push the bell and notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those like is helping out the YouTube algorithm, so be sure smash those like. Yes, and let's dive into and analyze. So our favorite bubble charts is in green, so I especially a few altcoins like Hex, Immutable X, the Ethereum proof of work, Neo, Bit, Render are just doing well, and also Ethereum just touched 1700 US dollar, and also Bitcoin touched 24,000 US dollar, but now they are correcting a little bit, but an amazing days to start. Let's check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index, and what a hell, it is at 60, so we are in the greed zone, guys. So we are in the greed zone, and after a long period of time of consolidating in the fear zone, we are back in the neutral zone and also into the fear zone. So guys, let's go and check out our first news. Let's see what's happening. So Bitcoin spikes about 24,000 US dollar as Fed Chair Powell talks of disinflation. Okay, so we can now say, I think for the first time, that the disinflationary process has started. We see it's really in good prices, so said Powell during a February 1 Federal Open Market Committee, and shortly after they announced an interest rates hikes at 25 basis points. Okay, so cryptocurrency market cap just started to skyrocketing, and let's quote, we see ourselves as having more persistent inflation in that services sector, which will take longer to get down, and we have to complete the job. That's we are here for. So actually they noted that ongoing rates rises would still be appropriate as the Federal Reserve attempts to bring inflation back to its 2% target level. So yes, they might will raise further interest rates, but not at higher levels. So Bitcoin bulls must reclaim these two levels as death cross still looms. Bitcoin price gears up for trend line showdown. Okay, so the Fed just favored Bitcoin in this, but there are the 50-week and the 200-week moving averages with bulls failing to retest them thus far, let alone flip them to support. Okay, so the 50-week moving average and 200-week moving average currently stands at 25,300 and 24,800 respectively. So BTC must test key moving averages to confirm macro breakout or fake out, part of the commentary stated. And this is the BTC USD order book from Binance, and actually orders are moving higher, but still there is a huge zone as liquidity pooled and moved. So liquidity pooled and moved to 25,000. Critical range of technical resistance must test key moving averages to confirm macro breakout or fake out. Had a bull stampede through the gate wherever it leads to the slaughterhouse of the auction house. Slaughterhouse of the auction house, so quite interesting. Whether it leads to the slaughterhouse or the auction house, TBD at the 50-day moving average is added. Topping signs and white cards. No doubt risk assets have been correlated, but BTC outperformed TradeFi in January with 40% rally. Now as SPX has a triple top on the monthly and BTC is headed for a death cross on the weekly. These are toppy signs, but the Fed and FANG and labor market are dealing white cards. So guys, here you see The blue is the 200-week moving average, the red is the 50-day moving average, and if they cross, that would be a dance cross on a weekly chart. But if the price is starting to increase much higher, then the 50-day moving average can turn, so it can turn back to the upside. But I think they will cross. Legendary trader Peter Brandt says Bitcoin flashing rare bullish signal. Here is his target. So veteran trader, I think he's about 70. The bottom in BTC is a double-walled fulcrum pattern, extremely rare. The 2x target is mid 25,000s. So this is this double-walled fulcrum pattern. What a hell! And yeah, so double wall from left and right. Okay, so looks interesting, at least. Bull observed the significant blue to bear momentum, with bulls breaking back into 150-day range, closing multiplied days about 200-day moving average, first time since December 21st, and breaking lower high structure on daily. Bear price still below 200-week moving average and 25,500 trigger level, bearish retest until. He also shares a chart showing that 25,500 is the bear's last line of defense. BTC weekly chart, bear's thesis dead if price flips 25,500. Meanwhile, popular crypto analyst Kaleo believes that Bitcoin will easily slice through the resistance at 25,500. Full send soon, please and thanks. Sometimes it's really it's that simple, something like it makes sense. Okay, so send it and then just break it. Cool. So guys, let's check our next news, that Lebanon devalues official exchange rate by 90%. So what the hell that this fiat is going to trash. The central bank has confirmed the new official rate of 13,000 pounds per dollar, up from little more than 150. So guys, this is more than almost 100% devaluation. So 90% devaluation. 90%, but still leaving the local currency well below its market value. The central bank confirmed the new official rate of 15,000 pounds per United States dollars on Wednesday. So guys, that's insane. That's insane. Lebanese officials have described the adoption of the new official exchange rate as a step towards unifying an array of rates that have emerged during the crisis. Okay. So they are looking for some package. There was a civil war, and they are also depending. But the IMF said last year that progress in implementing reforms remained very slow, with the bulk yet to be carried out despite the gravity of crisis, marking Lebanon's most destabilizing phase since this 1975. So guys, Bitcoin fixes this, but if the country is with weak economy and with debt, that also that's a huge problem. Okay, so guys, let's go and check what else do we have here. Okay, let's check this from let's check this. What do we have? Okay, let's check this Binance card news. Binance and MasterCard launch prepared crypto card in Brazil, one of the world's largest crypto markets. So Brazil is one of the world's largest crypto markets. Also, the founder of Coinbase, Brian Armstrong, just spoke last week that Brazil should make Bitcoin legal tender and crypto as a legal payment. So we'll see. Okay, so Binance Card and Brazil, they are just targeting over 90 million MasterCard merchants worldwide, both in store and online. Users can enjoy a seamless transaction in which their cryptocurrencies are converted to fiat currency in real time at the point of purchase. One of the perks included up the 8% cashback in crypto on eligible purchases and 0 fees on ATM withdrawals. So 0 fee ATM withdrawals, 8 purchase cashback. So guys, you should be in Brazil and using your MasterCard spending crypto. Okay, so what else? They have 14 supported currencies, and user can pay in the cryptos. And Brazil in an extremely relevant market for Binance, and we will continue to invest in new services for local users, as well as contributing to the development of the blockchain and crypto ecosystem in the country. Payments is one of the first and most obvious use cases for crypto, yet adoption has a lot of room to grow. We believe that Binance Card is a significant step in encouraging wider crypto use and global adoption, and the openness of Brazilians to innovation makes country a great market for this release. Brazilians are eager to embrace crypto beyond an investment asset. Today is an exciting step in our crypto journey, which draws on the strengths of both our trusted global network and Binance's infrastructure to support consumer choice in payments. Insane, great news. Congratulations, Brazil, Binance and MasterCard. So guys, let's go and check out our farms. We will adjust the APRs very soon, so you can expect some higher APIs here. Let's go to Pancakes to provide some liquidity and lock up your LPs and earn juicy APRs. So you don't have to take out the funds during this adjustment. Just be sure that you are looking up funds here, and also be sure if you are staking higher amounts of CorionXs in the pools, then you will get higher chance to take part in the Laserpunk whitelist. So be on the whitelist. And guys, let's go and check out my Twitter feed. Definitely follow me at MIKLOS on Twitter. Follow at Corion platform, and also be sure you are following at laserpunk_gods, and also be engaged in Laserpunk gods tweets, because with this you will get a chance to be on the whitelist. So comment, share, and also like and do everything. Yes, some rumors that Arbitrum airdrop is coming very soon. The snapshot, give a like and share. One of the biggest Bitcoin green monthly candle indicated a macro bullish setup. So Bitcoin monthly chart shows a macro bullish setup, 2 price rejection levels, resistance from a demand zone, which turns to a breakout zone. So that was a breakout zone of rejections, falling wedge, breakout to the upside, price rejection supporting breakout zone, bullish monthly candle breakout. So that it is. Bitcoin network is more secure than ever before. Hash power and mining difficulty are at all-time high, so good to see that. BTC will be really scarce asset someday. A possible future, if this trend continues, would be that 90% of Bitcoins are held in cold storage as savings, while 10% less of coins circulate for payments between hot wallets. So this is the long-term hodlers and coins sitting in a cold wallets, and these yellow or orange are the short-term hodlers. The Fed seems to be easing in rate hikes and planning soft landing. Let's see how Bitcoin and crypto markets break the trend and new cycle begins. So the most important that the Fed addressed slowing inflation in its statement for the first time this cycle. It's also signaled an upcoming end to hikes with the word extend. So extended, but there will be an end. Slowing inflation is consensus, and the Fed is getting exactly what it wants. So its focus has shifted to achieving soft landing, and the rate hikes was 25 basis points. Okay, cool. And Polygon, huge news, is entering tokenization of billions of financial giants. So almost this Hamilton Lane, 890 billion US dollar financial giant is tokenizing their 2.1 billion flagship fund on Polygon, guys. So big shout out to Polygon. Bitcoin end of the bear market signal that we left the capitulation zone. Will turn out if this is a fake out or a trend reversal, so we are getting closer to the fake out, and one of the best January with 40% performance in Bitcoin price, and altcoins also we follow soon. So guys, be sure you are following me and Korean platform and LaserPangots on Twitter. Go to PancakeSwap, provide some liquidity, earn the juicy APRs, and be sure that if you are coming to the chart, that look out, we have huge space to grow, and just the total crypto market cap is also breaking support, and that's a good sign if breaking this trend line and breaking to the upside. So I think great times will come, but a pullback would be well appreciated before entering new longs. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. See you in our next video. Bye bye.